Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am doing the unboxing for my incoming swap from Zenobia over at Craft at Home ZN. This is the Ghouls Just Want to Have Fun swap hosted by myself and Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic. Both of their channels will be listed down below. The swap requirements were an envelope flip book with at least 3 die cuts per envelope, a dangle or keychain, a set of 2 chunky embellishments, a set of 4 bows, an ATC or MDC card, a Halloween sweet treat, and a Halloween crafty goodie. I had so much fun hosting and crafting for Halloween this season, and I hope after seeing all of these incoming and outgoing swap packages, you will consider joining in our swap next year. Sharon and I also host a summer vibe swap, which is so much fun. We close out the summer every year with a one-on-one swap. I do believe that we will be hosting this Halloween swap every year as well. All of the channels that participated in the swap will be linked down below. Go check out their videos for some great spooky fun inspiration. Let's dive into this spooky fun package. Here is the box. I have not opened anything yet. Let's dive right in. This was my first time hosting a Halloween swap, and it was also like my first time actually crafting full-on Halloween projects, and I had so much fun. I loved using all of my stash and creating items for my swap partner. Let's see what this note says. She says it's her first time creating a dangle. It was also my first time creating a dangle. That is very exciting. And right here, I think my ring light is going to be too bright for this. Leave it here and then I will zoom in. She is on Instagram, Craft at Home, and on YouTube, Craft at Home ZN. Zenobia, thank you so much for being my swap partner. Inside, she has some fun shred along with some ghosties. We'll be putting those to good use. This is her embellishment flip book. It's so spooky cute. We have a shaker here. I love this paper collection. It has the mix of the pastel with the traditional Halloween colors. Looks like we have a magnetic closure here. Let's open it up to get the full view. So spooky cute. I love it. Let's see. In this pocket, this is her ATC card. She has this spooky cute house with some little bats and a cute pumpkin. She does have her information on the back. So she is an October birthday. This is going right into my pocket sleeve with my other ATC cards. This looks like she also sent me a memory decks card. It is a shaker. She used some vellum bat paper in the back. It's filled with a spooky cute sequin mix. This is so fun. It's so nice and big. I love it. Thank you so much for that. She shared some really cute Halloween trim. This is so nice. I love it. I love these so much. I was looking for this die. I haven't purchased it yet. Look at how big this is. Oh, my ruler is holding my camera, so I can't measure it. It is so big. I love these big giant dies. Anytime I order dies, if I was to order this, it would come this big, and I'm not kidding. It's every time I order, no matter what. So we have this cute ghosty, this kitty cat, so spooky cute. I love these so much. They will make great card fronts. And on this side, we have an envelope. Let's see what is inside this envelope. We have a fun selection of these super die cuts. I love the skeleton with the background. I don't have one with the background, and I did try and scan my little ones into my scan and cut. It wasn't able to do the background, unfortunately. I need to spend more time on it. These are great. Spooktacular. What's so funny is I can't believe how many dies are out there and available. I have a lot of dies and I don't have any of these. That is amazing. Hopefully the ones that I sent her, she doesn't have either. Thank you so much for these. I will definitely be using these next season on my projects. Super cute and spooky. I love it. Next we have these yummy sour gummy worms. I love candy. Sour chewy stuff stuff is one of my favorites. These are delicious. Thank you so much. On the top, we have a really cute bag topper, and this fun Halloween pen with this capuchon on the top of it. This will be going into my pen collection. I will be able to reuse these bag toppers next season. I love that. Hey Pumpkin, this is so cute. Thank you so much for those. We have this super fun Halloween spooky spell book. I love this trim. I actually have this in red, so I'm super excited to have some in the black and white. Are you a good witch or a bad witch? All right, let's take a look inside. It's filled with goodies. She sent a chunky embellishment. It is super spooky cute. We have the spider web, a little bat. We have a decorated spider, some glittered bats. We have a bow with a little ghosty and a fuzzy heart, and it's a shaker. So cute. She decorated this spool of ribbon. This is the black with the gold. This will be great for Halloween projects. And then we have the little spooky mermaid right here with the ghosties. So fun. For her goodie, she sent me these tiny beads. I did not pick these up at my Hobby Lobby, so these are going to be a new item going into my stash of supplies. They are so pretty, and these are great colors for Pastel-Halloween. Thank you so much for sharing those with me. She made this banner. We have this ghosty charm. He's so cute, along with this ghost die, the little bat topper. That's cute. This comes out. How fun is that? I will probably be adding this ghost to my dangle of my favorite items. I'm going to slip that right back in there. And it says the Boo Crew. I don't have this die either, and I've seen so many people using it in their projects. She made this super tiny coffin. It is adorable. I love candy corn. This is so cute. This is so fun. We have this trim that everybody has been showing lately. Let's check out what's inside this box of goodies. It's her dangle. How exciting. We have white pom-pom trim, which is great. Let's take a look at her dangle. This is so fun. Wonderful job on your first time of crafting a dangle. You would never be able to tell. I could tell you when I was making your dangle, I was so nervous about it. I felt like I just did not know what I was doing, but once it was done, I loved it so much. Yours is the spooky cutest. Look at that cute kitty cat. We have a ghosty and some wire wrapped beads. And then we have this big pumpkin bell on the end. So spooky cute. Thank you so much. I love it. This will be hanging up in my craft room all year long. Thank you so much. And I'm so honored that I am the first recipient of one of your dangles. Next, we have these cute candy corn socks. They are so fun and they are super fuzzy. Adorable. We have this super cute ghosty bag. On the inside, it is filled with a fun sequin mix. It has ghosts and pumpkins and spiders and kitty cats, and this is adorable. This will be great for making shakers. Thank you so much for sharing such a good amount with me. I appreciate it so very much. She also sent these adhesive gems. These are great Halloween colors. They are the iridescent. There's some like purple, green in here. They are very fun. Love those. Thank you for sharing those. And it looks like these are her bows. We have the little witch legs and the pumpkin in the spider web. These are so super cute. Okay, wanted to take them out of the plastic so you could get a good view. We have some tooling on her skirt. So fun. These are going to be so fun to make cards and decorate next year's packages with. We also have these cute bows, little pumpkins with the bows. Adorable. Thank you so much for sharing these bows with me. And the last thing inside this box is the Sour Patch Zombie Kids. These look so delicious. I can't wait to dig in these. Raspberry and orange flavored. Raspberry Yum Yum, my favorite. And that is my incoming swap from Zenobia over at Craft at Home ZN. Zenobia, thank you so much for sending me such a spooky, cute swap package. I thank you so much for all of these amazing goodies, and they will definitely be getting good use in my craft room. I would like to thank all the participants of this Ghouls Just Want to Have Fun swap hosted by myself and Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic. I have a feeling that this is something that we will be doing yearly, just like our summer vibe swap, and hopefully you guys will be inspired to join in next year's swap with us. I thank you guys so much for visiting my craft room. Have a spooky day. Bye, guys.